So Casekoo have just sent over some cases for the new iPhone 17 Pro in this funky box. So let's check them out. So a quick unboxing. They sent it over in this wicked box. iPhone 17 Pro dummy unit, because unfortunately I don't have access to a new iPhone 17 Pro, but there we go. Oh, dropped on the floor. First case in this nice deep blue. Really sturdy hinge. We'll demonstrate that a little bit more in a second. And then I've also got one in cosmic orange as well. Same sturdy kickstand. Let's chuck them on the phone. There we go. Camera control, volume buttons. So power button, volume buttons, action button, and then the blue color as well, which I do actually prefer as well. So there's a little bit more to know about these cases, and they are definitely more than just good looks. So the two cases they sent over to me, I've got in two options: the titanium mag stand 360 in cosmic orange and the matte magic stand 360 in deep blue. And these cases have been crafted to match the new iPhone 17 Pro's new colorways and precisely fit the device, of course, solving two needs: a case that mirrors your phone's look and ensures seamless compatibility from day one. And unlike other cases on the market, which will just have a complete gap around this whole new camera island design, you've actually got what Casekoo are calling a D cover going down the middle. Just adds an extra area of stability and extra raised edges around that camera housing. And of course, one of the main features of these new cases is the magic stand that is built in on the back of the case. It offers 360-degree rotation with a ring adjustable up to 170 degrees horizontally or vertically, making it easy to find the perfect angle for watching videos, taking photos or hands-free calls. The ring also doubles as a secure grip, replacing traditional pop sockets. I've used Casekoo cases for quite a few years now, and I've always found that the magic stand on these cases are really strong, nice and sturdy. There's no flex or anything like that. You can quite easily just rest your phone up at any angle you want to, as mentioned, watch videos, video calls and that sort of thing. A really high quality magic kickstand with no compromises to the quality. And the new stand features Mag Prime Array technology. The magnet stand delivers 2 times stronger magnetism than the official standard and supporting up to 25 watt fast wireless charging. It is fully compatible with MagSafe and any third-party Qi certified chargers, including car mounts, wireless power banks, which offers a really sturdy magnet. So yeah, a really good quality magnet. And as for the overall build of the cases, you get some really nice high quality materials. This case delivers really strong drop protection, and there's a 2.5mm raised frame that shields the camera lenses and the screen. And while the tri-layer build with reinforced corners ensures superior stability and protection. The case is actually really nice and grippy. I've actually got this exact case on my iPhone 15 Pro Max, and I found that it to be a really nice overall case. Some of the like silicone feeling cases, I find them to be a little bit too grippy, and they attract dust and lint and all that sort of stuff. But the materials used on this case here is absolutely great. No dust or anything is attracted, and it's still really comfortable and really soft in the hand. A really nice overall quality case. So if you're interested in one of these cases for your new iPhone 17 Pro, or maybe you've even got an older iPhone model, Casekoo are offering a 15% limited time deal directly on their website. So if you're interested, now's the time to go and pick one up. Let me know down in the comments what you think of these cases. Follow links in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.